baby. Hey now, where you going? Hey, 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 hey. What? What's his name? Betty? Betty? Is that? I like this bird. It ain't crapped on me yet though, so. Well, she needs to get off. My name's not Betty, it's Kevin. Kevin. No, it's Kevin. Really? Ready? Ready? Is that Betty or Ready? Alright. BB? Oh, BB. Well, you know what, Bird? You need to get off me now because I'm laid back. Laughing at me. I'll give you two guesses. What? I have, but I don't like to be bit by them. I had 7 at one time. That was before I met you. I had 2 hand-fed birds actually that I loved. The cat got a hold of one of them. Good idea. Now I can sit up. Go down my leg. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. There you go. Go that. Keep on going. Don't be pecking at me. Here. There's your ladder all the way to the ground. Look, the cat don't even care. Just hell with the bird. The dogs don't mess with the bird either. That's why I'm not messing with them.